Hi, in this question, I'm going to solve practice question for simultaneous linear and non-linear equation. So they provided us the graphs. So what are the coordinates of the point of intersection of the line and the curve? Here is the line. So let me x1, y is -4. So let's write it 1 point -4 and then 2 point -5. 2 point -5. Give the simultaneous solution, okay, of the equation. Give the simultaneous solution to the two equation. Okay, when x, here x1, then this the y -4. So when x equal to 1, y equal to -4 from here. Or when x equal to 2, y is -5. Okay, number 2, we need to draw it by constructing the table value and drawing the graph on the same axis. Find the approximately solution to the simultaneous equation. This requires you to draw the graph. Let me make it perfect. So the table, you can make it the range that you want. So let me make it perfect for you. So we go make it 2x and then plus 2y equal to x minus 1. Then we got x squared minus 4x plus 3 equal to y. Okay, here it is. We got it. Let me screenshot. Here is the graph. So the green one is 2y equal to x minus 1. Blue curve is y equal to x squared minus 4x plus 3. So the approximately answer is here, this point first, and here the second point. So the easiest one is here. When x equal to 1, y equal to 0. So we can make it x equal to 1 and then y equal to 0. Or here is when x equal to 3.5, y equal to 1.25. Okay, 3, we need to draw the graph. We'll make both equation true. Okay, here is the graph. You have learned how to draw the graph. You can check it my previous video, how to draw with the graph and the line. So here it is. So we can make it this 2 point. So when x equal to negative 0.4, y is gonna be 1.6. Another one, when x equal to negative 2.6, y also is gonna be negative 0.6. Here it is. Okay, number 4. Okay, here we don't need without drawing. We need to use algebraically the points of intersection. So here is y and is the y. So make it, write it y equal to y, x squared minus 6x equal to negative 1 over 2x plus by 3. Okay, we can rearrange it. So x squared minus 6x plus 1 over 2x plus by 3. Here equal to 0. So let's multiply it by 2. So 2x squared minus 6x plus, not 6x, we plus by, multiply by 2 minus 12 x and then plus by x plus by 6 equal to 0. So you got 2x squared minus 11x and then plus by 6 equal to 0. Let's factorize it. So it's gonna be 2x, another one gonna be x. So here minus 6 and minus, okay, to make it 11. So 2x to, 2 times 2x minus 6 here is gonna be not plus by 3, minus by negative. Okay, here is plus by 1. So we got the 2x from here. So first x is 1 over 2 negative 1 over 2 and then x equal to 6. So let's find the value of x. Okay, let me find it here. So y equal to negative 1 over 2, x equal to 6 plus by 3. So here negative 3 plus by 3, so y equal to 0. Okay, let's write it. The first 6.0 and then the second y equal to negative 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 plus by 3. So it's negative 1 over 4 plus by 3. Okay, it's 12, so it's gonna be 11.4. So 6.0 and one more, negative 1 over 2.11 over 4. Okay, B, I don't have the space, so let's add more. Let me write it here, the equation. So B is y plus x squared equal to 1 and y equal to x minus 5. Okay, let's make it, rearrange it, y equal to 1 minus x squared. So we make it y equal to y. First y is 1 minus x squared. The second y is x minus 5. We can rearrange it, 0, so x squared plus x minus by 6. Okay, we can factorize it. This is quite easy for us. So x plus by 3 and then x minus by 2. So we got the first x plus 3 equal to 0. So we got first x equal to minus 3 and then the second x equal to, we can substitute into one of the equations. So make it y equal to x, so minus 3 and then minus 5, so y equal to minus 8. Then we substitute here y equal to 2 minus 5, so y equal to negative 3. So let's write it, the answer here. So we got negative 3.8 and okay, 2 and negative 3. Let's write it here, 2 and negative 3. Okay, let's continue for C. So y equal to, okay, here is the C. Y equal to x squared plus 5x plus 4. Isn't it plus 4? Okay. Another one is y equal to, not y equal to, y plus 6. Y plus 6 equal to negative 2x. Okay. Let's arrange it, make it y only. So y equal to, okay, negative 2x and then negative 6. So let's make it y equal to y. Here is the first y, x squared plus 5x plus 4. The second y is here, negative 2x and then negative 6. So both of them we plus by 2x plus 6. So it is x squared plus 7x plus by 10 equal to 0. Okay. Here is x plus 5 and then x plus 2. We factorize it. So the first x we got negative 5. The second x we got negative 2. We can substitute y equal to negative 2 times negative 5 minus 6. Another one is negative 2 times negative 2 minus by 6. So here is y equal to 4 and another y equal to negative 2. Okay, let's write it the point here. So we got negative 5 and 4. And another point is negative 2 point negative 2. D xy equal to 12. Let me write it here. D. So xy equal 12. And then y equal to 7 minus x. Okay, let's substitute it. So substitute y. So x and then y change it into 7 minus x equal to 12. So 7x minus x squared equal to 12. We can rearrange it. So x squared minus 7x plus by 12 equal to 0. Okay, we got x minus 3 and then x minus 4 when we factorize it. So we got to value x equal 3 or x equal to 4. Just substitute into y equal to 7 minus 3. So y equal to 4. And then y equal to 7 minus 4. So the y equal to 3. Okay, we got these 2 points. First point is 3.4. And the second point is 4.3. Okay. Okay, number 5. So without drawing, something like number 4 that we did. So we got y minus 2 equal to 3x. Another one is y equal to 3x squared plus 6x minus by 4. Okay, let's rearrange it. Y equal to 3x plus by 2. Okay, we can make it y equal to y. So 3x squared plus 6x minus 4 equal to 3x plus by 2. So it's gonna be 3x squared and then plus by 3x minus by 6 equal to 0. Okay, we can divide by 3. So x squared plus x minus by 2 equal to 0. So we factorize it. X is minus plus 2 and then x minus 1 equal to 0. So we got x equal to or x equal to 1 minus 2 or 1. So the y, just substitute y equal to 3 times minus 2 plus by 2. So the y equal to minus 4. Next, y equal to 3 times 1 plus by 2. So y equal to 5. Here is the point x and y. So the intersect point is negative 2 and negative 4. And one more is 1.5. Okay, last question. So the graph has been drawn. Use algebraic method to verify the graph point. Okay, let's use it. So I will write it here. So this is y. We can just substitute it into x squared plus y is 3x minus 5 squared equal to 5. So this is x squared plus 9x squared minus 15. So 30x plus 25 equal to 0. Gonna be 10x squared minus 30x plus 25. Not 0 is 5 equal to 5. So we minus 5 both of sides. We got 10x squared minus 30x minus 20 equal to 0. Okay, we simplify, divide by 10 all of them. It's gonna be x squared minus 3x plus, minus 2 minus 2, isn't it? Here plus. So plus by 2 equal to 0. Factorize it. X minus 2 and then x minus 1 equal to 0. So we got first x equal to, or the second x equal to 1. So what is the value of the y? So y equal to 3 times 2 minus 5. So the value of y is 1. And then y equal to 3 times 1 minus 5. So the value of y is negative 2. Okay, we got the point when x equal to y minus 1, x equal to 1, y is negative 1. Let me write. So we verify that 2.1 and 1.-2. There is correct. Okay, there it is. Thank you.